Welcome, Crafty Hackers! If you're new here, subscribe and click to get notified so you never miss out. Let's get started. Let's make Barbie the perfect farmer's outfit. Find some cute material and let's make some overalls. First, measure the ideal length and cut out a square. Measure out the cuts for the legs. Now we have one side done, let's cut out the other side. Let's glue them together. Turn it right side out and fold over the trim. So cute! Let's try it on. Next, we glue the remaining edges in, creating that classic overall look. Some cute straps. Cut 2 strips of fabric, then glue the edges together. Glue it on the front and crisscross them in the back. Next, take some red fabric and cut out a triangle for a farmer's chic bandana. Let's make some boots. Take some beige modeling clay and shape the boots around her feet. Cut off any extra. Next, take a dark brown for the sole and heel. Cut out the V's at the top and add some detailing on the side. And Barbie looks ready to hit the stables. You can't have a farm without barn stables. And these are a dream. Cover the outside and inside of the cardboard box with the wood contact paper. Let's cut out a door and window to let some light in. Add cork on the floor. Next, we cut the white foam to create the door and window borders and cladding. Inspect for finishing touches, and voila! Barn perfection! Little animals on the farm need a place to roam. Let's make a farm fence to keep them safe. Pull out your popsicle sticks. Put 12 to the side. The remaining 6, cut in half. Take 2 long popsicle sticks and glue a short one to each end. Once we're done, let's glue them together, 2 at a time so we can make them stand. Put them up and all you're missing now are some furry friends. Let's make some sheep. First, cut out 4 legs and a neck with the pipe cleaners. Next, mold the head and ears. Attach it to the neck. Cover up the leg pipe cleaners with some clay, leaving the top part exposed. Glue the neck and legs to the pom-pom. And he's magnificent! Love it! Let's make some feathered friends, mama and baby chickens. Mold the body shape out of the white modeling clay. Next, take some yellow for the beak and red for the head. Now let's make some eyes. Next, take some beige and make a nest for our mama chicken and her baby eggs. Now let's make some chicks. Take some yellow modeling clay and shape out the babies. Give them some eyes and little orange feet. so cute! Let's get the family together. You can't have a farm without some pigs. First, take your pink modeling clay and make 2 balls. Turn one ball into an oval for the body, and then start shaping the snout for its head. Oink, oink, put them together. Now, make him some legs. Make sure they're about the same size. Now, stick them on. Next, we mold the ears, eyes, and tail. And stick it on. Check this cutie out! The perfect piglet. Barbie needs a hand around the farm. Let's make Ken a farmer's outfit as well. Let's measure out a t-shirt. Cut one side and then the other. Glue the 2 pieces together and flip it right side out. Adjust the neckline and cut the back open so you can put it on. Add some Velcro to open and close. Roll up the edges of the sleeves. Next, for the overalls, take some jean material and measure out the legs and top. Cut both the front and back. Glue the nice sides of the material together along the seam. Next, flip it right side out. Glue in the sides and roll up the bottoms. Now let's do the straps. Cut a strip of material and glue and fold. Now we cut it in 2. Glue it to the front and crisscross it in the back. Now cut off any extra. Cut some red fabric and cut off a triangle. Tie it on. Looking great, Ken! That farm sun is hot. Let's make a hat for Farmer Ken. Measure out the size of the hat. Cut it out. We folded it to easily cut out a circle. Cut out the center for the top. Next, take a rectangle and glue it along the inside rim of the hat. Cut to the desired height. Next, glue on the top. And voila! Almost ready for some farming. Now, a farmer is only as good as their tools. Let's make them a shovel. Take a wooden skewer and make it the desired length. Next, take a can and cut out a shovel shape. Next, we glue on the shovel to the skewer. Fold the edges over and make a crease in the middle. Love it! Let's get our farmers together. Looking farm-tastic, Barbie and Ken. Lastly, you can't have a farm without a garden patch. Take some different colored green modeling clay and make some salad, cabbages, and celery. Take your brown felt and cover it with brown modeling clay. Shape it and make little holes. And plant those veggies so they can soon be harvested. Delicious! Barbie and Ken will have so much fun with their furry friends at their new farm. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers! Remember to subscribe and see you next time with more hacks.